Abhishek Sharma has scored a century then in 46 balls extra thinking, and yes, he scored out in 100 there. But what a massive hit this is from the from the young back. And here's he scored the dog, but they came back with a strong proving batting there in the end. And what a century this is from him. So that's it. Stay tuned for the series updates. So Abhishek Sharma scored the century there for against Zimbabwe. What a game! What a sensational piece of game. So stay tuned for the series updates from and all those series updates. So that's it. Have a wonderful day. Take care. So I'll give you lots of updates around here. Lots of games to come coming up there. So have a wonderful day. Take care. So what a game! Sensational piece of batting. Just from him, 100 out of 47.